Hi, hello, namaste, namaskaram, adab. Ellarku vanakkam and namaskara. Welcome back to our channel. Hope you are all doing well. In this video, we are going to see the range of prime numbers we want. Okay, let's understand the question first. Yeah, wait. Yeah, let's try to understand the question first. Okay, while understanding your question, the programming language is nothing but as simple as the words we are using in our daily life. Okay, what is meant by range in normal English? Range is it's like I'm saying the meaning, not definition. Okay, meaning is different. Uh, what I can say that definition is different. Okay. Before going to start my video, I am requesting you all if there are any mistakes with my communication skills or spelling mistakes or anything, please let me know in the comment section. And I am a beginner, and now I am learning to improve myself with my communication skills and along with that technical skills also. Okay, coming to the question, what is meant by range? Range is nothing but it will have some starting point. Okay, yeah, it has some starting point, and it can also have end point. Okay, for example, I will give an very good example, then you are going to understand now. Okay, yeah. Yeah, for example, take Bluetooth. You may ask when you are going to buy a Bluetooth from Flipkart or Amazon or in offline also. Some people may ask what is its range. That is nothing but how much time, oh sorry, how much what I can say distance it can cover. We can say 0 to about 200 meters. Okay, I think so. I don't know too much about that. Yeah, yeah, Bapre. Yeah. Now I think you understand. If you don't know, just Google it and come to this video. And I want to know the prime numbers, right? What is meant by prime? Without knowing that what is meant by prime or prime numbers, don't go through this video. Even if I tell or explain the logic and how to use or something, blah blah blah. But it is total waste. Okay, without knowing the perfect definition or don't having the what I can say knowledge about it, basic knowledge about it, better to go and search in other YouTube channels, because my YouTube channel covers only the problem solving. Okay, problem solving skills. First you need to understand the problem, right? Anyway, I am going to explain without wasting time. Come to this video. Prime is nothing but wait, prime numbers is nothing but it any number having two factors. Okay, any number having two factors, or you can use any one of these definitions. Okay, number having what I can say, number having, sorry, number divisible, sorry for my mistake, number divisible by 1 and itself. Okay, number and itself, that means the a particular number that is going to be prime if that number divisible by 1 and itself. I will highlight one thing only, nothing apart from 1 and itself. It should not be divisible by any number. If you take example as 5, 5 will be divisible by, yeah, here I will mention 5 will be divisible by 1 and 5 only. 1 and 5 only. Yeah, not with any number. Yeah, not with any number. Yeah, hope you got the problem statement today. If, okay, let me go with first, let me say the logic first. Okay, what I am going to use here now. Okay, yeah, here is my logic. I'm going to start from, I need two variables, or simply I can say the algorithm only. Steps, okay. No need to explain the code now only. Okay, simply I will start and end, right? I have, I should have a starting point. I will better to mention like this. Yeah, start point and end point. Okay. After that, I need to check, right, each and every number from start point to end point. Number to be checked from starting point to ending point. Starting point to ending point. Okay. I will mention them as 1 and 2. Then only you can easily understand. Okay. You can understand, but it is better way, efficient way. Okay. Yeah. What is the third step? Number to be checked from starting point to ending point is our second step. And then, what is the third step, do you think? If you carefully observe, or if you, what I can say, if you use your basic mind, I'm going to print them, right? Yeah, print them. This is the simple logic. I am saying about only the log. Oh, okay. I am better to say them as I am trying to say the way. Okay, the algorithm, not logic. Logic is different, algorithm is different. Okay, sorry. I will select this one. Please, in our channel, green color indicates the problem statement of the day, okay, or problem statement of particular video. Yeah, yeah. I will again highlight this. This is nothing but the main algorithm or simple algorithm. Who can understand? Anyone can understand with irrespective to the what I can say problem solving skills. Without wasting the time, let's get into the VS Code. Now here I am writing the code. While writing only, I will try to explain and I will also debug it. Okay, debugging is nothing but tracing the code. What I can say, what is the value of each and every variable at each and every point of time and iteration. Okay, yeah, yeah, okay. I'm using scanner class to take input from user. Okay, in general, I told in algorithm also, I told that we need two variables indirectly. I said, okay, we need 2 points, right? That is starting point and ending point. So I declared them or I initialized them. Okay. After that, I am also using another better to not use now. Okay. Can we use for statement or for loop? Yeah, better to say for loop to get each and every number from starting to ending, right? Yeah. I will start it from start and I will end it. End up to end. Okay. Then I will increment. This line showing nothing but I am taking these for loop. I am talking about this for loop. The line is saying about I am taking each and every number. Okay, each and every number I am going to check whether that is prime or not, right? So I declared this for loop and I am taking I from start to end. Okay. Now Here there is a, what I can say, there is a, okay, better. I am using if statement and checking whether that number is greater than 1. Hope you got the point. If not, listen my words. Okay. If I didn't give this statement, what will be the output? If I give 1, then the total, it includes 1 also. It will print 1 also. But the problem here is 1 is not a prime number, but it is printing. Okay. So that I use, and you may ask, some people may ask, if I am giving negative numbers also, they are printing. To avoid that problem or that runtime error or that mm, irrespect that, no, what I can say, that output is not correct. Directly I'm saying, if you are trying to printing the numbers from a range, okay, within a range, if you got negative, if you give starting and ending point, any one of that with a negative, if the negative numbers are printing, means that indicates your execution is wrong. Okay, that's why I mentioned if I is greater than 1. Yeah, within that I'm going to declare factors. Initially factors are 0, right? Yeah. Now we are checking again with what I am taking another for loop. Why I will tell. Yeah, before coming to this video, I I mentioned another video on the topmost right hand side of your screen. First try to watch that video without knowing to, or without having knowledge of that video. Don't come this video, okay? Because I am not going to explain again how can we check a prime number or not, okay? In previous video we had explained that, okay? Yeah, if that, yeah, why coming to this, why I use this one? Because we need to check from 1 to itself, right? So I that's what I am saying. In my previous video, I explained it in a brief manner or in detail. Okay, sorry, in detail. Please do watch that one. Or if you don't like my videos, I will not request anyone. Please watch. Please watch. If I have talent and if my explanation skills are good or enough, immediately you only will come. Okay. Coming to this video, I am incrementing the factors by 1, and after checking that number is prime or not, we have to use these statements indicating the factors of that particular number should be 0, then only we should print them. Println, no need to give any message, directly we are printing. Yeah, hope I finished with my, what I can say, with my eh, coding part. Or yeah, let me enter 1 and 10. The output should be simply, what I can say, 2, 3, 5, 7. That's all. No, it is not printing anything. Why? I will try to clear this and I will try again to print. Sometimes laptops may got stuck. Yeah, what's happening? I don't. If I is greater than 1, when I am initializing the factors also, then I am checking that whether that I is divisible by j or not. If, yeah, I think the whole thing is correct. Let me delete this. Yeah, I will rerun this. Okay, let's try some another one. Yeah, guys, give me a second. Why it is not working? Let me know. Okay, please give me some time. If you think he is not doing his own, he's copying from anywhere, better to not see my videos. It is not attitude. Okay, don't think like attitude he is showing. Please, better to believe me. Okay, yeah. Please stay tuned. I will be back.
Yeah, guys, the count should be 2. Why? Because here we mentioned 1 2 itself, right? We are checking from 1 from itself. So we need to mention 2. Okay, now I think it is perfect. Yeah, that is the reason only. Yeah, let me check if there are any mistakes again. No, I think. Yeah, with I am starting and ending with end and J I am. Yeah, the reason that one only. We are taking 1 from 2 from 1 and itself to the number, right? So the factors should be 2. That means no other numbers will be divide that particular prime number, right? Yeah, this is the reason. Okay, I don't want to trouble you again. Okay, let me run this. I will turn off my Wi-Fi because my laptop got stuck, so I want to do this. Yeah, yeah, coming to here. Yeah, that is the only thing. Okay, let me give me the explanation of or debug it. Let's debug the code. I am selecting black one. Before that, I want to run this. I have to show output, right? I must and should show the output. Yeah, it is asking me the number range. I will give 1 and 10. Okay, I will give 20. Yeah, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Yeah, I am getting. We are getting the correct output. Okay, let me give another one or another inputs. Okay, yeah, for this I am giving negative value. Let's check. -1 and 10. Yeah, 2, 3, 5, 7. Yeah, because we kept there I greater than 1, right? So it will work only when I is greater than 1. Okay, even we give negative or negative numbers or negative integers, it will give. Okay, yeah. Now let's debug the code. What is the start value? The start value imagine as 1. Okay, then coming to end value, it is nothing but let's take it as 10. Now what is going behind the code, I am going to explain now. Okay, yeah, yeah, the current I value is 1, right? Yeah, and we are checking that whether it is 1 is a prime or not. Okay, not prime, simply I can say it not prime. Okay, then no need to print it, right? Not print. Okay, no need to print actually, because it is not a prime, right? So why we need to print? Yeah, and the I value will be incremented, right? That is 2. We are checking whether 2 is a prime or not prime, right? Yeah, and it will be not printed. That's all. We are not printing that actually. You may think why my voice is little bit slow or not matching with that. Yeah, because I am giving again voiceover, because uh, in between my voice is not recorded. My voice was not recorded. Okay, when I try to record, so from there only I am trying to. Okay, let's give the voiceover. From there only I want to give voiceover. Yeah, 3 is a prime. Obviously 4 is not prime, obviously. Then coming to 5, whether 5 is prime or not, you only tell. Yeah, definitely it is prime. Sorry, I need to mention 2 is prime, so it will be printed. Okay, we are printing that one actually. Okay, 6, because it is not a prime. Why? Because it will be divisible by 2, 3, 6 and 1. Okay, 7 is a prime. 8, 9 followed by 10. Okay, these are all, wait a second, 8, 9, 10. These are all not prime numbers. Yeah, okay, these are all not prime numbers. 3 will be printed, so it has only 2 factors, that's why it is printing, right? Yeah, I don't know why I am highlighting that much of in the video. Yeah guys, 3, 5, 7 are prime numbers. Yeah, now I remembered. 4 is not a prime because it has 2, 4, 1 as factors. Okay, those are our factors of 4. Okay, coming to 5, 1 and 5 only the factors. 6 has 2, 3 and 6 and 1 itself. Okay, yeah, so 1 and itself. Okay, a number should be divided by 1 and as well as itself. If those factors having only means, then only it is considered as a prime. If not, not a prime. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.